Hi guys, this is the first episode of Screenjutsu, the screencast on Ruby on Rails that rocks, delivered by Samurails. In this episode, we're going to talk about debugging in Ruby on Rails, which can sometimes be a pain, let's be honest. I'm sure you're used to using the Rails logger to see what the hell is going on, right? That's not the most efficient way. I've even seen people totally desperate raising exception to see why some code wasn't executed. It's so frustrating. What I want to show you today is a way to avoid that, a better way to debug Ruby on Rails application by using breakpoints. So let's see what I'm talking about. What I want to show you is a little gem called Pry-byebug, which is going to let you add breakpoints in your app and let you query your variables and see like what value they are holding at that moment. To test it, I've created a simple little app which for now is not working. As you can see, I get undefined local variable or method secret array. I have only one action for now in this application. It's the index on the home controller, and apparently there's something wrong. I don't know what for now. What I'm gonna do is add the gem Pry-byebug. Let's save that and bundle install. Always take a while. And it's done. Let me restart my server. Okay, so now we are ready to use Pry-byebug, this great little gem. Let's see how it works. So we want to display this message, right? Let's go in home controller and see, like right here. I'm just gonna add binding.pry and I'm gonna reload the page. Now you see it's not reloading simply because the execution was stopped by binding pry. So now I have a pry console and I can do whatever I want. So it seems to be something wrong with secret array. So let's see what is secret array. It's nothing. So maybe I need to initialize it somewhere. That's the problem. So let's add it. That's it. It's initialized to an array. Maybe let's put some value instead. 1, 2, 3. And it should be working. Now let's go back there. We want to see the next step. We can just use the next. Let's say it's just gonna dig inside the method and so on. Now if you just want to resume the normal execution, you can just use continue and see it just failed again. But now I know what's wrong, and if I just reload it again, it's gonna break the points, so I can check my secret array and now I have the value. Isn't that great? I can just continue and everything is working. So that's it. That's just a very simple example, but you can see how using this in some very confusing piece of code can simply save your life and tell you everything that's wrong with it. You can simply create any variable that's available in the scope. You're ready to use it. It's very simple to use. If you want to learn more about it, you can head over to the GitHub. As you can see, you can define breakpoints in some other ways. Note that it's only supported on MRI 2.0, and before that you will have to use the Pry-debugger gem, which is also very cool. can define some aliases if you need to. It should be fine. And this is the 4 execution commands you have access to: step, next, finish, continue. I think you're mainly going to use next and continue and finish. Yeah, so all of them. Anyway, that's it about Pry-byebug. I hope you enjoyed this little Screenjutsu. It was the first one. Many will follow. I think Pry-byebug is a pretty cool gem. Note that you can find more tutorials about Ruby on Rails on my website, samurails.com. The link is in the description. If you're interested in modularity and what it implies with Ruby on Rails, you can also check out my book, Building Modular Web Application with Ruby on Rails. I'm currently writing it, so it's not out yet. The link is in the description also. Don't hesitate to check it out. And that's it for this episode. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.